Well, I guess the time is here and it's gotta go. It's gotta get stripped. All the other dumpster cars are gone, so this one here has gotta be stripped. Some stuff that we wanted, it's one window bar, kill switch on the roof, fire extinguisher, fuel tank. I might keep the cage in it. It's not really a fantastic cage, but boy, she might do. Fuel line, battery box, electrical, steering wheel, seat, computer, transmission cooler, all that fun stuff's got to come out of this. Yeah, so it's got to be a little bit. I'm not going to take anything out from underneath the hood yet because I really don't need it yet. Transmission is garbage. Motor is good. Steering rack is good. Subframe's garbage. Struts are good. Spindles are good. All that fun stuff is good. So what we're going to do is we're pretty much going to strip the interior out of this and get it ready to become a dumpster car. Because I need a dumpster car to start stuffing crap into. So first things, fuel tank and all that. We're going to tear this thing apart, do a little bit of tear down on it, and we'll see how far we get. It's probably 34 degrees outside right now, so she's pretty damn warm out here. But let's see how far I can get on this. So while we're troweling down infected, we got the gas tank out, we got the wiring out, we got the battery box out. We're just working on the transmission cooler now. But I thought I'd stop and show you guys this. If you take a look at these transmission lines. See that? Look at that right there. They were melted to the fire barrier. Look at that. How hot do you think those transmission lines were? They actually melted the plastic. I can't see very well because the angle. Yeah, you guys can see that. Look at how much it melted into that. No wonder why this transmission is cooked. It was so hot that the rubber lines melted into the fire sound deadener inside the car. That is honestly crazy. I've never seen that before. I suddenly understand why this transmission's cooked. Well, that took about an hour to do. We got everything that we wanted out of this. I'm not really sure if I'm going to keep the cage or not. It was kind of just something that's not super thick. It's old playground equipment that I was actually got a job thrown at the scrap, so I kept it. So again, that scrap angle, that's a piece of shipping crate, and then playground equipment. So I don't really know if I'm going to keep this because if I cut it out, then all it will ever be able to fit Solera. So I might just let that go with the car. I got some of my seat belts off, which is nice. Window bar. I haven't taken anything off underneath the hood other than the transmission cooler because that was on the inside. The reason why I haven't is because I'm not ready to take the motor out. I'm going to be saving the bumper. It's probably going to be going on another car that I have to fix for a guy. Probably be saving this double but getting rid of the other one. I think I'll just give it away. It's damaged, so I'll just give it away. Yeah, so the motor's not ready to come out, but it is ready to come out. When it is time, I'll take it out, but I'm just going to leave it in there for ease of leaving it in there right now. The last thing I got to do is pull the wiring harness for the engine through, because we are keeping the engine in this. I can save all these tie downs here in the front. Just going to save the washers. Same in the back. I could probably get these ones off. Yeah, I think I could get those ones off. I've already started throwing crap inside of here. So yeah, I'll probably save these ones. And that's the front ones. And that's probably all that's left I'm going to take out of it. The dash bar I'm going to leave. The steering wheel I'm going to leave. The shifter's broken, so I'll leave that. Basically, it's ready to be filled up, and that's what I needed. I need another dumpster car. If you guys remember, Steven and I poured brand new fresh transmission fluid in this because of how burnt that is. It's actually coming out of there black. So that'll be another fitting I got to take off and keep. But transmission oil is black inside this thing. It is cooked. I imagine there's nothing left of that puppy inside there. But yeah, we just got to basically shoehorn this motor out because of how bad the frame is bent. Struts, spindles, axles are all good, so we'll keep those. Bumper we're going to keep and weld onto a different one. I actually can tell you where this bumper is going to go. I think it's going to end up on the front of burn barrel. I'm still waiting for a couple parts to be dropped off for me to work on burn barrel. Mostly upper control arm, starter, little things like that. But we're going to get this one up and running here in no time. And I imagine that 74 Olds 442 bumper is basically garbage right about now, so we'll be maybe putting some chrome skin square tubing on the front of this thing just to maybe give it a little bit more life and a little bit more height. But anyway, that's to come, and one car dies to help another one live. So I'm sorry, Infected. You know what, you've been a cursed car since I built you in 2007, and it's now 2020 and you are still here, and I'm sick of it. You're going to scrap, buddy. I've tried everything. I couldn't get you to go, and the frame bent hard. Look at that sub. Look at the frame. You can really do the timing belt easy on this thing now. But this tire's garbage because the inner sidewall's ripped out. But look at it, actually pulled down on the body mount. But we'll be getting... Oh, the frame actually bent down there too. We'll be getting this thing going. Getting the motor ripped out and getting her off to scrap here in no time. But basically, I just needed another dumpster car, so that's why we tore out all the interior out of this. Some of the Kia is going to end up inside this, and some of the Kia is actually already inside of it. So, stripped, ready to go to scrap, but not yet because she's not full. We'll start filling this thing up in no time. Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you back here tomorrow on Zach's Workshop.